Breadwinner, mapagmahal na anak at kapatid at mabuting kaibigan. Ganito inilarawan si Ateneo men's basketball player Divine Adili ng kanyang ama at mga kapwa-atleta mula sa Nigeria. Binabagabag daw ng maraming tanong ang pamilya Adili tungkol sa pagkalunod ni Divine at ng teammate na si Rene Baterbonia sa Dipakulaw, Aurora nitong Lunes. May unang balita si JP Soriano.
Mula Nigeria papuntang Pilipinas, malayo ang nilakbay ni Divine Adili para makapag-aral at makapaglaro ng basketball. At malayo pa sana ang mararating niya sa kanyang pangarap ayon sa amang si Elias.
Very gentle, and he plays basketball very well. He's well-mannered, well-cultured, he respects people, and he takes care of his siblings. He's a very good boy.
Habang umuukit ng pangalan sa basketball, hindi nalilimutan ni Divine ang kanyang pamilya. Breadwinner ng kanilang pamilya si Divine. Kwento ng kanyang ama, mapagmahal na anak at kapatid si Divine.
His demise is a very big blow to the family. The mother, as I'm telling you now, the mother is seriously pained, and devastated. She has been crying since that Monday till today. Now I'm speaking with you, she is crying.
Nakausap pa raw ni Elias ang anak noong linggo nang papunta sila sa Aurora para sa team building activity ng Ateneo Blue Eagles basketball team.
For me to Monday to get this evil news, this is a very sad news, very painful news of his demise. Now that he's gone, I don't know where I will start again.
Lunes nang iahon mula sa pagkalunod sa dagat ng Dipakulaw, Aurora, sina Divine at kanyang teammate na si Rene Baterbonia. Gaya ng pamilya ni Baterbonia, marami pa raw tanong na bumabagabag sa pamilya ni Adili sa kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari.
I was so much disheartened and disappointed about the whole incident because there were measures that are supposed to be in place before you take people to water, and those things were neglected. I believe they're supposed to read the weather before they can move to the sea. So those things are the things troubling my heart, and the feeling of my family. We are highly devastated.
Dumalaw sa Arlington Chapel sa Quezon City ang ilang kaibigan ni Divine at kapwa Nigerian basketball players.
He's just a good friend. He's just a good guy. There's nothing bad to say about him. It's all good. He's just a great guy.
Just pray God comforts their family. Then we just wait for the investigation going on before we have anything to say.
Nagpunta rin doon ang dating Ateneo Blue Eagles member na si Chibueze Ike.
I went through the same training program that I went through. It was okay. It was just, like you said, it was just an unfortunate incident.
Pero sana raw ay magbigay ng paliwanag at pahayag ang kanilang coach na si Tab Baldwin.
I would love him to speak up and let the people know what happened. This would give a lot of people closure.
Hiniling ng pamilya ni Adili na i-autopsy muna ang kanyang labi bago iuwi sa Nigeria. Ayon sa pahayag ng Embahada ng Nigeria dito sa Pilipinas, direkta raw na nakikipag-ugnayan ng Embahada sa pamilya ni Adili sa Ateneo de Manila University at sa mga otoridad. Ito ang unang balita, JP Soriano, GMA News.